Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be giving a tutorial on how I achieved this beautiful and defined wash and go look. Keep watching for more. So this is my hair right now. This is all that is in my hair right now. And this is what it looks like with the leave-in conditioner. It's nice and washed. I washed, conditioned, detangled, and put in leave-in conditioner. Alright, so now we are about to use Miss Jessie's Coily Custard. At first I did try to use jelly soft curls, but it only made my hair curly and like poofy. It didn't really make it curly and defined. And what we want is a defined look. I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. I'm gonna put this in one section. Boom. Move it back away. I'm just going to rub it through. So I'm gonna separate this again. Now on top of the boiling custard, I'm gonna add the Xtreme hair gel. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do throughout this whole video. Okay, curls, okay. I'm just flatten it on top. Now I'm about to do the other side and I'll be back. So I'm done and this is the end result. I'm gonna wait a little bit because this is not what it's supposed to give. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, make sure to comment, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one.